of the before pictures right before Aladdin cleans my tile floors. You can see they're absolutely filthy. The tile, the grout is embedded, so they've got their job cut out for them. But I know they can do it because Aladdin can do magic.
This is an alkaline cleaner, a high pH. It's used to break down any oil, dirt, and grease that's in the grout. Then I'll scrub it to break it down a little more, and then I'll extract it with steam. This is an impregnation sealer. It's a solvent-based sealer. I'm going to apply it on the grout line so that way it'll keep any soil and dirt on the surface whenever they're maintaining it, and then they'll keep it cleaner for longer.
Wow, just look at my floors that have been steam cleaned by Aladdin. What a huge difference. It's like day and night. So much better.